Welcome. In front of me I have the POCO F6 and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, shine on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. Now to do so, you will need to take off a case if you have one on your device. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. In this cutout you have a tiny little hole right here, so you want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout and push the pin in. And you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, one on either side. And you can obviously use one SIM or dual SIM, and if you're planning to use one, you can place it either top or bottom. It does not matter whatsoever. From there, make sure you clip the card correctly in place. It should not be protruding from the tray, and if you flip it over, if it's falling out, that means that it wasn't correctly in. Now insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. There we go, so it's asking me for the pin. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.